Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Noble, and I welcome you to Wealth Abundance Program. Why Wealth Abundance Program is very important for your life to achieve success and attract a lot of abundance and have a lot of abundance. Okay, wealth abundance. If you are not having true freedom skills, if you are not having true wealth skills, where how to attract wealth in your life, not having a freedom, wealth, abundance, okay, you have pain of lot of like pain of not having enough resources for true growth, okay, not having income for your true freedom, not having multiple streams of income. So if you have like not having up to 10x growth in your income and wealth, okay, and if you are under a lot of debt, a lot of loans, lot of things, you are in debt and you don't know how to come out of it, so you should definitely join this program. Okay, so we have a simple methodology through which you will learn the program. Teaching processes with super simplicity, step to step process. You will learn all these skills, simple theory, simple model, and simple implementation, okay, no complexity. So I would teach you all these secrets, okay, how to have a lot of wealth and abundance in your life. So I would welcome you to the masterclass program, where you learn these skills properly with step to step clarity, and you will apply it in your life and achieve a lot of success. Thank you so much.